Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my omelette every morning. Let's get started. I'll start by breaking my 2 eggs into my bowl. Then I'll add a little salt to it. Then I'll just add my chopped onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onions, and some spring onions. And I'll mix everything together. After mixing, I'll place my frying pan on fire and I'll add a little bit of oil. And when the oil starts to heat, I'll just add my mixture into it and let it fry so it is golden brown. Then I'll turn over the other side for it to also fry. And my omelette is ready. Please subscribe and keep watching. Have a nice time. Bye.